Good afternoon to all viewers of Xposed and across the nations of the world. My name is Prophet Hayford. Recently, I had a vision concerning the Ibrahim Traore, that is the Burkina Faso president. And in the vision, I saw a plane crash in a vision. And it's likely that it will happen. And we, as an African, across the nations of the world, we have to pray for him, because first attempt couldn't work, and land, there have been an attack on the land, but now the second attempt will be in the air. And according to the vision that I had, he may be attacked in the air by a plane crash, which we have to pray for him seriously. If not, we will not hear a good news. And this is the vision I had concerning him, that we as an African and across the nations of the world, we have to pray for him seriously, because there will be an attack on him, which will be the second attempt to eliminate him. So we have to stand by him as an African and pray for him. Thank you.